It's our disembarkation day. So we are waiting for Lilo and Stitch. That's our luggage tag before we go down. So you have to wait for your luggage tag before you can disembark. Ours is Lilo and Stitch. Luggage is here. Here, where are you going, Daddy? Presence of mind. Go to Stitch. Yan! Good job, Kalel. Nasakay kami dito ng taxi at matutuwa ka yung Singaporean. Ang galing magtagalog.
By birth, Filipina.
Oh.
Tapos, sa 4-month baby, dala ko dito sa Singapore. Tapos, Singapore citizen na. Ngayon, kasal na. Siya nurse ngayon eh. Trabaho sa SGH, Singapore General Hospital, nurse, supervisor.
Wow. Guys, it's my birthday. Where are we gonna go? Where's Pixie Dust? Pixie Dust ba? Yay! May hot tub tayo, makaligo. Oops! Flashy for you? Is that free?
And only.
Walang Marina Bay. Mas mahal ang may view ng Marina Bay. Ay, salamat. Nice hotel. Ay, ang ganda.
Nobody.
No, this is the bidet, the Japan style. Come here, I'll teach you. You press this, front and rear. Okay? Huh? Yeah. It's my birthday. Did they give it? Sweet.
Happy birthday.
Aww.
Happy birthday. Chocolate ko. Happy birthday.
Complimentary cake for me, Ama. Kalel, are you there? So it's still my birthday, so we have to celebrate.
Look at my hair, Justin Bieber.
Look at that. Oh la la. Ha. Uy, look at that. Look at that, babe. Sakay tayo dyan.
It's like the ano, mom.
The Italy. Baba tayo dyan.
Gardens by the Bay, dito rin, no?
Meron, lakaran. O, dito na tayo pumunta mamaya. Look at the fish. Lululemon, my favorite store. Hindi na ako nag-alo kasi may alo na sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas, walang Lululemon. Sa Pilipinas, walang Lulu, walang Sephora. Kaya yun ang binibili ko pag nasa ibang bansa ako. First time namin nakita ng maaga. So, we're here. Ito yung hotel namin. Ito lang. Sa may Starbucks. Tatawid ka lang dyan sa ilalim. Grabe, sobrang convenient. We're going to Merlion. And then, kakain kami sa ano yun? Kaman Sutra. So, how do you like it? Do you like Singapore? You like it? You don't remember na nagpunta ka dito? Kasi you were like super baby pa that time. Like, wala ka pang 1-year-old. Si Harper like 1-year-old that time. Hindi na kita. Yeah. Do you like Singapore or Japan?
Japan.
Japan. Both? Oh, both. Oh, malamig kasi sa Japan. But for me, both lang. Both okay for me. Except the weather nga sa Singapore is mainit, right? Parang Pilipinas. But for me, Singapore and Japan for Asian countries. My
They're the
favorite.
same countries, pero it's the weather.
Yeah, and kinda expensive here.
They're both, first world
Yeah.
countries.
Guys, hindi nila nakita si Merlion. Nakasara si Merlion.
Where?
Ayan sa loob, oh, yung lion, oh.
Ay, siguro, chisel.
Sorry, be. Sarado si Merlion. Ayun siya, oh, sa loob.
Natutulog lang siya.
Kakaloka.
It's just sleeping.
Ganda. Ang ganda ng Marina Bay. Tinan mo, Kalel. Hindi, doon tayo umupo. Sa may ano, yun, oh. Deep water.
tubig dad.
Harp, Sarin, dito ka. Sarin, come here.
Baka pumunta kang tubig ha, kahabol mo.
Punta yan, sure ako.
Wala, hindi mo mawin.
Huwag mo akin.
Wala ka naman food.
Ang relax dito guys.
Punta tayo dun sa LV, yung ganda ng LV. Picture tayo dun, love.
Akala ng tao. Professional animalist.
Hello. Hello, niya yung mami niya. Nahanap siya. What's your favorite part of our trip?
Cross.
The cruise? Which one?
Disney Cruise.
Who's in the cruise?
Disney Princess.
The Disney Princess. How about you, Kalel?
For me, food.
Food. How about you, Harp? What's your favorite part of the trip?
That?
Who's in Disney cruise?
Mga shows.
How about you, Daddy?
With my family.
Nax.
That's the only thing I'm
Boogs.
everything is worth it with my family.
Ako, seeing you guys happy.
Ilaya mo lang ako eh.
I think that's the same.
Ayun yung hotel namin, guys.
Ito mom.
Yung Fullerton Hotel. Saan kami nagstay? Next time dito naman tayo ulit mag-stay. Char. God's provision. God willing. Dito sa may electric fan. Ay, wag ka dyan, madumi, nak. Nak, dito, nak.
The winner. Wow.
Mr. Waiter!
Baka nag-move siya papunta dito sa Singapore.
Pwede ka na pala mag-request dyan sa front.
Ang daming fish, oh. Do not disturb the koi, sabi.